So, what's up, guys? Back again with how to make a card game part two. So, if you haven't seen part one, I will leave a link in the description. Also, also, if this helps you, if this series will help you, then please leave a like. And if you check out some of my other videos and like them, then maybe subscribe. It depends on if you have a YouTube account or not. If you don't even try to like or subscribe. Not even comment. But if you do have a YouTube account, you can go ahead and do it. But anyway, now you're gonna be on to drawings and printing. So drawing your cards may take time. That's the thing. So yeah, that's gonna be maybe some problem in the way. But don't worry, the rules, or maybe including a rule book and doing like a quick card game. Like, I play this. Oh crap, you destroyed my monster. I play this. Ha ha ha, you can't beat that one. Now I play this. Ha ha ha, now I can attack you directly. Ha, you're dead. I win. Like, maybe like something like that. But try to do something like in 5 minutes. Just don't name your game the object of the game. Name it after something you're maybe done putting in your game. Or hello. And like if you've watched a lot of anime and you're a fan of Japan, you know that anime came from Japan and a lot of the card games also came from Japan. Actually, all card games came from Japan. Didn't they? Didn't they? Okay, I don't know why, but hello. But you need to come up with the name. You need to come up on how the cards are going to look, what there's going to be in the game, like maybe something like Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Same example in Last Village. But hey, you need to make either. You need to do some rule book, and this can help you if you're really forgetful. Because you'll forget. I forgot how to play my own game. Can you help me out, buddy? Dude, you made the game. I know, but I'm extremely forgetful, and I literally forgot how to play my own freaking game. So that would just be dumb. But anyway, you need to come up with some sort of thing. So, okay, for mine, I'm going to just simply draw something with a space for the drawing and a space for the writing and descriptions. Okay, now you can do it anything like a Yu-Gi-Oh card, even from an anime. Who cares? Even if it's from fan fiction, you can do it as long as you stick it from scratch. And I will see you in the next vid whenever you learn how to spread the news.